we are looking at how to pronounce this word as well as how to say more interesting and often mispronounced words and names, including very interesting brand names that so many people mispronounce. It's annoying, and some of the most mispronounced words too. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. How do you say it? Insatiable. Insatiable. You do want to stress on the second syllable, on the say syllable. Insatiable. Both British and American pronunciations are similar here. Pretty straightforward once you know insatiable. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. Many get them wrong. You won't after watching those. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.